Hello from the U.S. Forest Service. Welcome to the Alliance Northwest PTAC event. My name is Mike Johnson, and I am the Zone Chief with the Northwest Procurement Zone of Procurement and Property Services. I'm here to talk today about the Great American Outdoors Act that was signed into law on August 4th of 2020, and to tell you a bit about what we've been doing with the funds and what is planned and what it means for you as a contractor. So in summary, the Great American Outdoors Act, otherwise known as GAOA, provides the Forest Service with $238 million annually, starting it in fiscal year 2021 through 2025. These funds are focused on clearing the backlog of deferred maintenance that exists. Throughout this slides, you will see some images of some of these projects that we've accomplished. You will see the before and after photo of the work. And so what have we done with the fiscal year 2021 in contracts? We've awarded more than $79.8 million have been awarded to date. These contract awards range from less than $10,000 to $3.7 million. And in all actuality, more than 96% of the funding has been awarded to small businesses. So what is the kind of work that we have been doing? As you can see on the slide, it's roads, trails, bridges, campground maintenance and repairs, vault toilets. In fact, in the first year alone, we had $3.8 million that went to work with the purchase and installation of vault toilets. We had $38.1 million in road and bridge projects, $3.4 million in recreation materials, $9.8 million in facilities, $4 million in trails, and $6.3 million in campground repairs and maintenance. Now, these are very rough estimates based on project information, and so there is in some of the projects, there's a mix of different activities that's involved, and could include more than one category of work. So the vault toilets, although they're $3.8 million, the vault toilets is a significant element of work that is being accomplished. These are prefabricated facilities. Some of the difficulties we're running into is finding small businesses with the ability to manufacture these to the specifications and deliver and install. So if your firm is capable or able to manufacture, pre-manufacture and deliver vault toilets, please contact the PTAC organization and reach out through them to us, and we'd definitely love to hear from you. So where do you find these opportunities? Well, to do business with the Forest Service, you can find the opportunities on sam.gov. And when you go to sam.gov, you can click on the search tool, enter in a key phrase such as road construction, trails maintenance, tree thinning, those kind of things, and all of the open notices for that type of work will appear. Now, as you learn the system, you can further refine your search to states and even certain federal agencies. And if you're having difficulties, well, there is help that's available. The best help you can really get on making sure that your firm is meeting the right certifications to be able to do contracts with the federal government is going to go to Procurement Technical Assistance Centers, PTACs. On the slide, you will see that the main PTAC internet address. You can search for different PTACs through that internet address. And I've also included the links to the web locations for the Alaska, Oregon, and Washington PTACs. So working with your PTACs is always a good thing to do and will help lead you to success. So our final image is a fire tower that was in need of some dire repairs of the structure, and as you can see on the slide, it was well taken care of utilizing Great American Outdoors Act funding. So thank you for your time. Thank you for attending the Alliance Northwest meeting, and I look forward to hearing from you in the future.